Hello and welcome back to Random Shemandom. We're going to be making some chips. So I've peeled a potato here and I'm going to peel these other ones over here. Okay? Don't take off too much of that. Lovely. What do you even call it? Is this actually a potato flesh? I have no idea. But yeah, nice. Okay. Slice it. Mind your fingers. Woo! Second. Dang! There we go. Okay, so I cut them in half, as you can see. Hello, how you doing? I'm fine. I'm about to be chopped in half. Yay! We're gonna be making you guys into delicious chips. Fell there, guys. I'm sorry. Cajun chips, by the way. I don't think I actually mentioned I was making Cajun chips. Cajun seasoning chips, guys. Alright, so I cut them like this, but then I cut them in half again. Go. There we go. See that? They actually look like fries that you buy in a restaurant. Not that I'm saying I'm restaurant quality, but you know. Actually, I'd like to give a shout out to all those amazing delivery people who delivered food and groceries during the lockdown, because food was an important part of the lockdown. So the restaurants are open now, so that's good. That's great, and hope we stay that way. Just gotta follow the rules, get rid of this COVID stuff. No DA, okay. Right, guys? Alright, so I've got my oil over here. As you can see, I made a lot of chips, guys. Woo. It's on 5. Okay, so that's about I'm saying, over medium. Got my chips here. Lovely cut, nice. Oh, absolutely amazing. So, okay, I'm gonna give them a little wash, okay? Right, so I put some water, so I'm just going to nicely do that. Clean them, then I'll drain them out. It's important to clean them, okay, guys? Woo! Alright, so over here I've got my lovely chip picker-upper. Alright, so I got them in. Looking good. Okay, I know I'm using a saucepan, and one of the fryer thingies, but my fryer broke, so I just kept this thing. So I think it's great. Let me just pick it up like that. Improvise. Alright, so we're almost ready, guys. Almost. See how good they look? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pat these dry. No, not too dry, because we don't want the seasoning to stick, don't we, guys? Alright, so I took the tissue paper off. Now what we're going to be using is some salt, cayenne pepper, and chives. Hint of sweet onion. Woo! Sprinkle, sprinkle. Alright, I don't know how much you guys would want to put in, but obviously not too much, because we also want to be healthy. Oh, it's got a kind of a big hole, so just easy. Okay. We're gonna sprinkle this around. I like a bit of heat, so I'm gonna put a lot. Okay, a little bit more. Come on, don't be shy. There we go. Next is the chives. Just a little bit of chives, because I think chives are actually really strong. Okay. Alright, here we go. Can you see that, guys? Ugh. Trying to make them dance. Come on, dance, baby. Dance, dance. Oh, 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 oh. Shake it. Shake that chippy. Okay, these are looking actually good now. Woo! I get. Ooh, my nose. Maybe it was a bit too much. Guys, check out these chips with a hint of chive with sweet onion. Some salt as well. Oh my god, guys, this is delicious. Why don't you try it and leave me a comment below to see if you like it, okay? Even if you don't like it, you can tell me. Alright? Any comments are welcome. Well, I mean, like, be nice still, even if you didn't like it. Woo! Goodbye and thank you for watching this random schmandom recipe.